how to create a PayPal account. So let's get started. After I downloaded the app, open it, and here I'm going to choose sign up. Let's go. Now you get few options. You can choose account from Google. In this case, I'm gonna use just simply my mail like this. Click next. Then I'm gonna put my number here. And I will receive the message. After you put your code, you're gonna create a password. So I'm gonna do just password. Then I'm gonna write my personal info. So my nationality Slovakia, first name, date of birth. You can simply click on the year and scroll down like this. And click OK, next. And then I'm gonna choose my address. So then click on agree and create account. But as you can see, you need to check this box and then you can agree and create account like this. This is gonna be your username, Martin, some number, but you can also change your username. But if it's available, I'm gonna put 2024 like this. And this is not available, so maybe I can try. I like this one, Martin 616. That's cool. Let's go and click continue. We can skip this now. This is for another tutorial. And that's it. This is how can you create a PayPal account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye.